Beautiful.
Unexpected.
Adventurous.
Enriching.
Amazing. Unbelievable.
Hello, my name is Renata Alvarez and I'm from Mérida, Mexico.
My name is Said Infante Rivero. I'm from Temash, Yucatan.
My name is Gemma Narvaez and I am from Cozumel, Quintana Roo.
My name is Vianey Canul. I'm from Valladolid, Yucatan.
My name is Christian. I'm from Mérida, Yucatan.
My name is Valeria Ceballos.
My name is Valentina Sepúlveda.
My name is Jairo Khan.
My name is Mónica Camal.
Hi, my name is Manuel Garcia and I'm from Mérida, Yucatan, Mexico.
I learned about the cultural differences here in Kingston and here in Canada, and meeting a lot of people from other countries.
I amplify my vocabulary and I learned how to improve my way of expressing myself about my ideas.
Besides studying English, I also came here and learned about cultural and social skills here in Canada.
The challenge is here, I think that everyone speaks English, and it's the first time that I'm in a country when everyone speaks English.
One of the challenges for me is practice my speaking, because I understand the writing and reading, but my speaking is not very good. So stay here help me in the practice.
In this trip, I try to go out of my comfort zone and really learn it. And if I was having troubles speaking it or having troubles forming sentences and everything, I went to my teachers and tried to express the best I could and try to don't be so shy and scared of talking.
One of the big challenges I had to resolve is the meal times, because I'm not used to eat really early, but it's just a matter of time and organize myself.
For sure, Niagara Falls. It's an incredible, beautiful, and amazing place.
Also the visit to the Canadian Museum of History. One of my most precious memories is watching the Inuit throat singers at the Ottawa Museum. It was unremarkable.
One of the memorable experiences that I had here was we have a meeting with refugees persons, so I had the opportunity to learn more about them, about different stories, different point of view, and also I was interested in how they was forced to be here, because to be safe, have different opportunities to have a better lifestyle.
I had an activity in downtown where I have to take a photo with my group in every spot. That makes me learn about the places that are in Ontario, and also I had the chance to get close to my classmates who nowadays are my friends.
I think one of the differences between Canada and Mexico is that as Mexicans, we are really loud, and everywhere we go you can notice that we arrive, so because it's a lot of noise there all the time.
The difference that I see in Kingston is the variety green areas and preservation of the animals.
This experience has changed my life because it helped me to broaden and diversify my perspectives, the way I used to look everything in my daily life.
I recommend this experience because there is nothing like this. Nobody knows that you can, all the things that you can learn in a place like this.
I recommend this experience to anyone that wants to improve their English and also like trying to learn a lot of new cultures and a lot of new people that are like really kind and always willing to help you improve your English.
I think I'm a whole different person than the one I was before I came here.
Now I have more self-confidence with my speaking, and also I'm gonna use these learnings during all the 3 weeks. I'm gonna use these learnings in my future jobs, so that's why this program has changed my life in many ways that I still cannot really fathom.